Hi. Okay, this time around, we are going to do two skills at one, expand and simplify. Expand means when there's a bracket, you have to expand, so the brackets will be gone. Simplify means when there are more than one like terms, you have to merge it, whether by plus or minus. Okay, so let's go straight to this. Okay, let's start with question 1. I'm going to choose 1C. Okay, so first the expand part. Why? Because there's a bracket. So you expand this 7 times 2m and 7 times -1. So the first round, what you'll get is this 14m minus 7, and then you just bring the other two terms down, plus 10m minus 3. So at this stage, you have completed the expanding part. Now the simplifying part comes like this. Okay, I'm going to use a different pen. So look, there are terms that are similar and different from each other. So usually what I'll do is, because I'm a visual learner, I'll use different color to differentiate them, so it makes life easier when I want to simplify or combine them later. Now, for example, 14m and 10m, they are of like terms. And then maybe I use a different color, -7 and -3, I call this as number family, and the red one as letter family, M family. Okay, so now what I'll get is 14m plus 10m, so that's 24m, and then -7 minus 3, that is -10. Done. That's how we solve the question. Okay, so for question 1, this is the method that you have to do, and please do bear in mind that the sign belongs to the number after it. You see, like this. Okay, done. Let's move on to question 2. Now maybe I'll just choose one question. Okay, question K. Let's do K. I'll choose red this time. Okay, so you know now instead of numbers, you have negative sign outside of the brackets. What does it mean? It means -1. So it has to be multiplied by every single term inside the brackets, because that is the expanding part. Okay, what do we do with 9x? 9x has nothing to do with everything, so we just copy and paste. I just put 9x ready, and then negative times 3x is -3x. Negative times -2y, that's positive 2y. And then negative times z is minus z. Okay, now another thing that we need to do next is the simplifying part. Simplifying is basically like merging the terms, but then you can only do it when they are like terms. So look, this is from x family, -3x is from x family, and then plus 2y is from y family, and minus z is from z family. So whatever comes from the same family, those are the things that you can simplify. So 9x minus 3x, that is 6x. And then, because nothing can be done to the other two families, you just copy and paste it down. Plus 2y minus z. Done. That's how we do question 2. Okay, so always group the terms, they are the same, make it visible so that you won't get things mixed up, because as you can see, it started off with a very simple question from section 1. Section 2, you have a variation of negative and positive here and there. But when it comes to question 3 onwards, I want you to be very vigilant when you do working, because most of the time we got things wrong, not because we can't do maths, but because we are quite careless when we show workings, and the moment we miss one thing, everything's wrong. That's sad. Okay, so there's nothing much to explain because I've already shared with you the method. It's as simple as expand it with the brackets, and then categorize the terms with different colors. Or you can also use shapes. You can use like rectangle and then circles and triangles. And I believe that sticking with this method will help you to solve all the questions when it comes to expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions. Okay, that's